Hi again from Deb Bossert Artworks. Today I'm introducing Across the Fields. This is an 8x10 nature theme acrylic on canvas painting painted by Deb. This unique nature theme painting has a beautiful sky with blue and pink colors. It's got a grassy foreground, as you can see here. Also, there's trees back here in the background. You can see it's got some really nice green colors. Here's a really nice close-up view of this painting. As you can see, the really nice sky with the green grasses and the trees in the background. Very beautiful. This unique one-of-a-kind artwork is signed and titled by Deb on the rear of the painting. If you'd like to see more of Deb's beautiful artwork, visit our art gallery.